Why does Excel treat long numeric strings as scientific notation even after changing cell format to text?
I'm trying to process some data in Excel.
The data includes numeric account numbers and other long numeric strings, like cell phone names.
I am not doing math operations on these strings, so I want Excel to treat them as plain text.
Here is what is making me nuts. This is Excel 2010. Take a long number like 1,240,800,388,917 and paste it in a cell in a new worksheet. Excel's default cell format is general, so the string is presented in scientific notation as 1.2408E+12.
Right-click on the cell, select Format Cells, set the format to text.
The cell is still displayed in scientific notation, even though the format has been set to text.
Now, if I do the steps in a different order. Format an empty cell as text. Right-click on the cell, select Format Cells, set the format to text. Take a long number like 1,240,800,388,917 and paste it into the text formatted cell.
Now, the cell is displayed as a string and not in scientific notation. The results remaining in scientific notation even though the cell is formatted as text just seems broken to me. I've seen suggested workarounds like use CSV import and set the format to text, add a space character to the beginning of each numeric string, and others. Is there a simple good workaround to easily keep these strings formatted as text?
Why on earth does Excel do this? Related to questions I found: how can you make Excel 2007 stop formatting large numbers as scientific notation?
And is this Excel behavior with a large hex number expected?
Memories of data munging back from when I did some massive number cross-checking in Excel. Never again. When you punch in long numeric strings into Excel, try say 12,645,678,901,234,567,890, 20 digits. Excel will generally convert it for you, meaning that the 20-digit number you've just tapped in has been cut back to be only about 15 significant figures. Note as well, the conversion is a truncation as opposed to rounding. 12,345,234,567,890 is 1.23456789012346 plus 19. But Excel will show you 1.23456789012345 plus 19. This occurs at point of entry, so once it's in, any additional detail is lost, and so even if you tell Excel that you really meant that was text and not a number, you're kind of out of luck, and hence why your first sequence doesn't work.
This worked for me in Excel 2010. Just select the column, right-click, Format Cells, Custom and choose the option that says 0, second option below General.
Try this. This works for me, Excel 2013. Where A1 holds the numeric value. After, copy the column and paste to original column.
I found that in Office 2010, if you format the column first, and then paste in the data, it will show the large numbers correctly.